Hello everyone, so I welcome all of you to the video of mains answer writing series. So first of all we have one question that you can read here. Simultaneous election to the Lok Sabha and state assemblies will limit the amount of time and money spent in electioneering, but it will reduce the government's accountability to the people. Discuss. Okay, after analyzing the question, if you can see that we have to discuss here about the three topics, that how simultaneous election is reducing the amount of time and also the money spent. Okay, and after that the main one is that how it will be reducing the government's accountability to the people. Okay, so we have to discuss and counter every three parts of this question. Okay, so first of all we will start with a small introduction of this simultaneous election, and after that we will be countering one topic from this. You can see the amount of time we will be countering with this. You can pause the video and read it. Okay, and after that how a simultaneous election will be reducing the money spent in electioneering. Okay, you can see here we have given the data from Election Commission of India, and we have tried to counter this with a small example. You can see here, and after that the main topic is from the question is that the simultaneous election, how it will be affecting the government's accountability to the people. Okay, after pausing the video you can read one by one line that we have given here three topics, that how it will be affecting the government's accountability. So in the conclusion we have tried to give how the accountability of the governments to the people, it will be increased. Okay, so you can see here where the Parliamentary Standing Committee from Law and Justice recommended 2 phases of elections and with frequent electoral scrutiny, and also it recommended the concept of 1 year 1 election.